The HP Chromebook X36014 is a convertible notebook running the lightweight ChromeOS operating system from Google. HP is announcing that this is the thinnest Chromebook that has been produced with only 16mm, but depending on your budget, its size will not limit its power, with your choice of an Intel i3 or i5 8th generation. It is combined with 8GB of RAM and 64GB of SSD, so this device should not have problems with light workloads. Despite how thin the chassis is, you still get a variety of ports. There are two Type-C USB ports, a standard size A USB port and a MicroSD slot. The battery is not bad either, and HP promises that it will last up to 14 hours on a single charge, although you will only get a full HD screen. Although it seems to be first a laptop and then a tablet, the HP Chromebook X36014 appears because Google seems to be increasingly positioning ChromeOS as the operating system of your tablet instead of Android. Google is expected to launch a ChromeOS tablet along with Pixel 3 later this week, although it will reportedly have a removable keyboard instead of a hinge that separates the keyboard as the X360 has.